This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I'm going to try something with this spiral piece of metal that I have. I think I pulled it off of a spring, and have this lid here and put some terracotta modeling clay in it, which was really hard. I had accidentally let it dry out, so just have some water soaking into this terracotta clay. So it's a combination of hard clay that's just now absorbing water and some pure just water out of a bottle that I purchased from the store. Some Aquafina. There you go. Free advertisement. Just so you know what kind of water I'm using. Some of it has mixed up into mud as I was trying to smooth it out to a degree. So anyhow, I've got this spiral as one electrode, and the other one simply is attached to a nail that's going into the base of the muddy water. So what I'm going to try is my new 10,000 volt transformer and get it to discharge down this spiral and see what happens. So I had this idea when I found this little piece of metal that was coiled up. Like, you know, there's a converging winds and then there's a discharge, just like we see in the sky. Could this give me more of a variable path, kind of in a vortex motion, and see how it interacts with the ground? And obviously, it started bouncing that thing like crazy. Broke the 10 centimeter rule there. 10,000 volts, 10 centimeters. So let's start it up again. All right, I've moved it closer too, so let's try it again. I'll have to figure out how to get my microscope in here because I don't know. I don't think it's going to like it. It's too close. I've got pieces of clay landing on me, so it's popping out and cratering. As this is soaking up the water, evaporating the water, it's creating little plasmoids under the surface and then heating up and popping out. That's how craters are made. Water on a surface with electric discharge. That's it. It's as simple as that. And this is literally how it's moving around as these low and high pressure systems are converging. And you see the lightning bounce around. Again, all the moisture is on the ground, not in the sky, so it's much more dynamic in our atmosphere than this comparison I'm making. But again, the whole point here is to see how this discharge kind of moves around this vortex motion and interacts with the moisture on the ground. So anytime an area is very dry from all of the evaporation taking place, it moves on to the next path of least resistance, which is a moist surface. Look, make a little hexagon shape there. I don't know if you caught that. These are flying everywhere now. So think about this. This just made me think of all these pieces flying out, hitting my face even. The screen of my phone has all kinds of dust and stuff from this clay popping out. That's how dramatic it is. So now think about the ancient times when they said the scorpions were flying through the skies, but it was really rocks lit with plasma. So you've got some giant bolts of plasma connecting to the earth, forming mountains, carving canyons, massive discharge going on, and then these crater areas are being vaporized quickly. And then all of that rains down, and in a very highly ionized atmosphere, again, I would assume those would all light up, and it would just look like just an insane fiery event all around. I would be scared. This has turned out nicely, I think. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I am going to turn this off. We're going to observe where it's at right now. I'm going to let all this water soak into this clay. I'll wait several days, come back to it. If it needs to be fully mixed up for an even surface, that's what I'm going to do, because I want to see what a complete flat, muddy, evenly mixed mud surface will do and react to discharge like this, and see how it forms patterns from that moment. So let's check this out. Well, I waited about 10 minutes and it's kind of soaked back in. I had recorded it. I thought I did anyway. I lost it. Sorry. We're going to try again.